How to add signature in new Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first things first, open up your Outlook, go to settings and then go to your signatures. So this is where all the magic happens. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. So once you go to signatures, go in the blank box and here you'll have to type in your name, your email, your phone number, and you can even put your digital signature here. So here you can make various customizations. Like you can add your own picture, you can change the font according to your wish, and then you can even bold the text and then put it into italic, underline it, or even highlight it. And you have to put in your signature name, and every time you send an email, it will appear as your email signature. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.